Nigeria, Kenya. Yeah, the most corrupt countries ndio the most dangerous countries.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Maureen.
And I'm Maren.
Yeah, so today we're going to be asking Kenyans what they think is the most dangerous African country according to them.
Yeah, so if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, liking this video, and you can also leave us a comment and let us know what you think about this video.
So come with us, let's go find out.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
What's your name?
Joseph Mobili.
Okay, so today we are asking people, what do you think is the most dangerous country in Africa?
In Africa, funny enough, mimi mfano wa Rumba lakini DR Congo. Huwa naiogopa sana.
Why do you fear it?
Constantly tangu karibu niko mdogo nasikia tu kuna vita zinaendelea, so huwa naiogopa sana.
So that is the country says if you are given an opportunity to visit, would you like to visit it?
Hata Rumba yanapenda heri wasanii wao wakifanya show Kenya ama nchi zingine nitaenda, lakini DR Congo zizi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Franklin.
Today we are doing an episode where we are asking people what they think is the most dangerous country in Africa. Which one would you say it is?
The most dangerous. Acha niseme Somalia.
Somali?
Yeah.
Why would you say Somali?
Actually, my dad he's a KDF. So he has been there. The stories nimesikia about Somalia vita 24/7. So actually unaona hata wengine wanakuja huku. I think it's Somalia and two Sudan. Sijui kama South Sudan ama ni yeah, those two. Though najua it's a bit, not even a bit, it's dangerous because even I have a friend from South Sudan. He came to Kenya. Actually he's brave. Ananiambiaga me, no one can tell me anything in Kenya. So I was like, why? Like, don't you fear people with knives? What? So his response was like, for what I have experienced in South Sudan, you can't tell me anything because he has ever handled a gun. Yeah, even Somalia, I don't have a friend, but from the movies that we do watch, unaona mtu huyu anafunza kuhandle gun, alafu story tunaambiwa sijui unaweza chukuliwa, wende uko recruited uko sijui ufanye nini. So Somalia mi siwezi taka huko.
Which country is the most dangerous country in Africa?
In Africa, most dangerous country. Moja ama ngapi?
You can mention a couple.
Nigeria, Kenya. Yeah, the most corrupt countries ndio the most dangerous countries. Hata wachana ya Somalia al-Shabaab hapana. Nigeria, Kenya, you can be scammed, yani unaweza scamiwa hata na pasta. In a country where pasta anaweza kuibia, very dangerous. Kwanza Kenya. Country yote wewe afadhali nikae Somalia nijue side fulani kuna lipuliwa mahali fulani na siwezi pita, lakini unaishi kwa country yenye mtu mwanadhani anakusaidia, anakuambia madam acha nikusindikize nikuoneshe gari za kizurai, kumbe anakuibia. So most dangerous countries mimi naona number 1 Nigeria because ndio the most corrupt, number 2 Kenya.
Okay. Yeah. Which is the most dangerous country in Africa?
Okay. That's a hard question because I haven't been to most parts of Africa. I've been to Tanzania, I've been to Uganda, I've been to Kenya, of course, and I don't know, maybe Somalia, because of late they have been having this explosive and things happening here and there. But yeah, I think it's the most dangerous country to live in. I don't know. Yes, my own opinion. Yes. Yeah.
And which is that one African country that you'd never, hata ulipwe, you'd never like to visit?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
It's Opio.
Opio?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking people, which do you think is the most dangerous country in Africa?
Somalia.
Somalia.
DRC. Ni mob. Nikiza country ni mob sana. Yeah.
So you're saying Somalia and DRC, even if someone paid you to go there, you wouldn't?
I see, walai.
So why did you pick Somali?
Somali. So unaona tu zinafanyika huko. Siwezi tamani kwenda huko. Yeah.
What about DRC?
Bado tu pia hivyo.
Yeah. Because of the civil war.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Mr. Streets.
So today we are asking people about their opinion on what they think the most dangerous country in Africa is. Which one would you say?
I would say Tanzania.
Why?
Because there's more Muslims there, and Muslims are dangerous always. Selling weapons, like guns,
Is there any other country for you? It's just Tanzania.
Somalia. Somalia because more youths in Somalia, they like Al-Shabaab, joining Al-Shabaab, and you know Al-Shabaab is dangerous and more terrorists that are killing Kenyan youths from Somalia. So I feel like Somalia is more dangerous. Yeah.
Would you ever visit DRC?
Congo. Yeah, of course.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Fine.